Yo, what's going on, guys? Classic Thomas FTW, Thomas and Friends, Season 25 FTL here, and today I'm going to be reacting to the 8th episode of Thomas's Magical Birthday Wishes, and it's going to be called Thomas the Helicopter. So yeah, and this does look kind of similar to Thomas's Fantasy in the Great Race, where Thomas imagines himself being a helicopter. And yeah, which I believe this episode was inspired by that one fantasy scene in The Great Race in the song "You Can Only Be You," which where Thomas and Ashima sing it. So yeah. So without further ado, guys, let's begin. Here we go. And I'm thinking that Harold might appear in it.
Okay,
maybe, dunno,
my
but
next
we'll see.
magical birthday wish is going to be something super special.
And what's that?
Oh, who am I kidding? They've all been super special.
You don't
What
have a
shall the
favourite.
wish be this time?
I wonder.
Dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh
Oh, there's
dear.
Harold.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh.
And he's a lot more bigger than
Do you
Thomas.
want the long version or the short version?
What do you mean?
Short version.
I broke down.
What's the long version?
I broke down.
Really? Well, I'm not surprised, eh?
Well, I'm so sorry, Harold.
Problem is, I need to get this delivery to the mainland as soon as possible, and the bridge is out.
What a run of bad luck.
That bridge is always
I
breaking.
think I can help. I wish to be a helicopter.
A helicopter. And I don't know why they
To the
didn't
mainland,
remake
you say?
Harold's model
I'll
and
get
turn it
there
into
in
Thomas.
no time.
Just be careful.
Maybe they should have
It's
done that.
very heavy.
Whoa,
They didn't.
I love being a helicopter.
But you're not actually a helicopter, you just have a helicopter's
This
propeller.
is heavy. There it is. Almost there.
And it's winter on the mainland.
Hang
I
on
kinda
now.
see snow.
I can do this. There we go.
Oh, that's the station that Thomas went to,
I
and
hope
Thomas in the
is
Royal
okay.
Engine.
Thomas, that was amazing. You did it.
Not only that,
You saved the day.
but I brought the engineer to fix you.
And this is the first
Thomas,
time that
you
we
are
see a
the best.
human in
I
this.
hope you have the best birthday ever. Huzzah!
Birthday,
Yep.
happy birthday.
So yeah, that was my reaction to Thomas the Helicopter. So what do I think of this video? Again, it's okay. The series isn't really the best, but it's more okay, to be honest. I'm not going to tell you my full opinions on it until I finish reacting to it. So yeah. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and have a great day. Goodbye!